Hey y'all, I thought it would be a good time to do another essential oil myths video. So in this video, I want to talk about the myth that I've seen over and over and over again about whether essential oils expire or whether they should have an expiration date. So I have a bottle of lemon with me because I love lemon oil. And on all of doTERRA's bottles of oil, they have an expiration date on the bottom. The other number on the bottom of the bottle is a lot number that you can use to look up the testing that's been done on this exact batch of lemon oil. So those are the numbers on the bottom of this bottle. Well, you guys, there are people out there that say if your essential oil is pure, it will never expire, ever. And I've seen this so many times over the last 6 years. And when I first saw this, I was like, wow, that's really interesting that doTERRA has an expiration date, but pure essential oils will never expire. So I decided to do a little research. And I want to share with you guys something really basic that helps me understand what this date means on the bottom of this bottle and what the statement, pure essential oils will never expire, whether that's actually true or not. So this date on the bottom of this bottle is actually more like a best used by date. So this bottom of this bottle says expiration is 2024, February of 2024. Okay, I'm gonna use this bottle of lemon oil in like 2 months. So I have no worries about whether this bottle is going to expire. But I get this question a lot, so I thought I'd go ahead and talk about it. Anyways, so 2024, so that is a use by date, best if used by date. So what happens to essential oils? And well, what happens to essential oils is that they oxidize, which means their chemical structure gets less potent as they interact with the air and as they interact with the atmosphere and things like that. So this is related to the law of entropy, which is the second law of thermodynamics, which says everything moves from a state of order to a state of disorder. So if you guys need to go brush up on your second law of thermodynamics, I definitely suggest that you do that, because according to that law, nothing lasts forever. It's impossible, because everything in nature breaks down. Everything moves from a state of order to a state of chaos. That is the second law of thermodynamics. So if somebody comes to you and says, I have a bottle of essential oils that will never expire, your response should be, really? That's really interesting. So your bottle of oil is not affected by the second law of thermodynamics, which says that everything moves from a state of order to a state of disorder. That means your essential oil is never going to expire, because you guys, if your essential oil is lasting a really long time, longer than it should, I would think that it has some kind of preservatives in it, because that's the only way to extend the life of things so that they aren't affected by that second law of thermodynamics as quickly. That same law is what shows us bananas rotten, turning brown, food decaying, and that sort of thing. Everything moves from a state of order to a state of disorder, second law of thermodynamics, and that is why the idea that a pure essential oil will never expire is a myth. So I hope that's been helpful for you guys. I'm gonna post this video on my IGTV in case you need to share it. I'm also gonna be posting it on YouTube, so you can go there if you want to share it with people who aren't on Instagram. And I'm gonna post this in my feed here in just a little bit if you need to watch it again. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.